Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have something different in mind because this is a very subtle yet a very important aspect of car ownership. For my European friends, this is kind of like second nature because they do everything on their own, and I had to learn these things after moving here. As I'm from India, you find a lot of people doing this stuff for you back home in India. So therefore, I have no experience of doing this, and I thought of documenting it in this vlog. This is something really subtle. Again, I mention it, but to me, it's new, and I wanted to document this. And I hope that this would help the other expats here who might also be confused about how to do this stuff. So today I'm going to take you on an automated car wash place, and this will be a whole different experience for me, or a new experience for me. And I think it's a very important aspect of car ownership as an expat. So stay tuned for that. Before I moved there, I wanted to show you how dirty actually the car is right now. It's not that dirty from on the inside. But if you look at the windscreen and so on, you see these spots here. I would like to get rid of it, and I just also want to show you how the before and after would be. So you see these spots on my car. I want them to be removed, and I hope I'm successful at it. And I hope that I don't embarrass myself while I do it myself. Hey BMW, take me to Vagani Utsa 21.
I have found multiple results for Vagani Utsa 20. Great. Budapest Vagani Utsa is our next destination. The expected drive time is 3 minutes.
I love it when the streets are this empty. And of course, it's
Left 200 meters at the end of the road and then turn right.
a Sunday morning or Sunday afternoon. That's why it's so empty. I love it
Turn
this way.
left at the end of the road and then turn right. Now turn right in the traffic.
So I finally reached the location and right now I'm waiting in line. There are a few cars ahead of me. You just can't see them because I switched the camera angle. I spoke to the guys running the car wash. Well, actually, they don't speak any English, so I had to use my broken Hungarian. I found out that the basic package costs about 1,300 forints, which is not too bad. Since this is my first time trying it, I didn't go for anything fancy, just wanted to test it out. Now I'm moving forward, following their instructions, and let's see how this goes. Oh, this is a nice experience. Forward? Oh, okay. So the guy again came to me and knocked on my window and asked me to keep the car in neutral so that the conveyor belt would just propel my car forward into the car washing area. Okay, new experience for me. Very, very different experience. It's like heavy rainfall. Wow. Amazing experience. So weird for me. I think I should have kept the automatic rain sensing wipers switched off. Hands off steering wheels, of course. I don't want to damage my car. Wow, it looks so awesome. I hope I don't need to drive. They will drive me. Just putting my seatbelt back on because after this I will be going straight back home. That looks so awesome. I think I'm done here. Pretty smooth, huh? Simple and not too expensive either. Let's check how clean the car is now. Wow, looks significantly cleaner, isn't it? Just these small little spots still left, but yeah, it's looking better than before, of course. Trying to head back home now. The car's clean. I'm happy. Time to head home. So this was my first automated car wash experience here in Europe. I hope it's helpful, especially for other expats who might be wondering how this works. If you have ever tried it before, or if you have any questions or doubts about car washing or even any other aspect about car ownership in general, drop a comment below. I'm still a new car owner myself here in Europe. So your questions not only help you, but also help me learn more along the way. Looking forward to hearing from you, and I will see you in the next video.